In this video, I'll guide you on how to convert your Google Docs into PDF files. Jackie here, and welcome back to our channel. Let's dive in. To convert your Google Docs into PDF files, there are 3 proven ways. And 1, download as PDF. 2, use print. 3, send as an attachment. Now let's start with using download as PDF. Simply go to File and then click on Download. This will give you several options. Click PDF document. Super easy, you just created a PDF document out of a Google Doc. Now let's try using print. Still go back to File and then select Print. So this will give you your Google Doc on the left as a preview, and then on the right you have destination. Click on the drop down to select Save as PDF and then Save. So let's try using the last one, send as an attachment. Still go back to File and then select Email. Email this file. So here, if you want to send a copy to yourself, you can check the box and then input the email you're sending to. So when you come to file type, mine is already in PDF by default. If yours isn't, click on the drop down and select PDF and then send. So super easy. You just created PDF files out of Google Docs using 3 different ways. Now, one thing to note is that all these ways will still work for Google Sheets and Google Slides while converting them into PDF files. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was very helpful. See you in our next videos.